know they say you don't have a deal until it's under contract. Let me button my shirt up so I can look professional on this camera, man. So y'all people want to say, look how unprofessional he looks. So you say they say you don't have a deal until it's under contract. Tell my investors I have a investor special, man. The house is worth for $500,000, right at like $475 for the property. 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, sits on 4 acres of land. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna upload pictures and videos, all that good stuff. I'm asking right now $299 for the property, $299,000, or best offer. I'm sure this is gonna be it's gonna be a nice investment for an investor. If you are interested, please email me or call me at 901-314-2270. That's 901-314-2270. My email address is d123wholesale@yahoo.com. The property address is 7416 Independence Road. At 7416 Independence Road, Millington, Tennessee. I mean, the property really needs nothing but a little TLC, little sidings, house sidings. I mean, it's pretty much ready to go, man. It's ready to go. Owner still occupies the house. Man, I am really looking for my way out of here. I've been lost for like 15-20 minutes. But yeah, this is a good investment for an investor. The asking price is $299 right now, or best offer. So send the offers, send your best offer, and we can talk. Thanks, guys.